Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm the card collector and today we'll be opening 2 Panini Adrenalyn packs. Now, the Euros final between England and Spain is just around the corner, so I thought it was fitting that I got my hands on some football packs. I did try to get some Euros packs, however I was out of luck, although I did open a few packs off camera the other day and I managed to pick up an Oliver Kahn legend card as well as a few others, so I'll run through those and yeah, I'll quickly show you that. So we got Lucas Hernandez, we've got a Donnarumma, we've got a Trossard, a Centurion Panucci, and then there we go. We got the Oliver Kahn card. And then we've got Vardiol and Xhaka. So yeah, that's what we got the other day, and yeah, anyway, we'll get into the Adrenalyn Plus packs now. Yeah, I wonder who's going to win the Euros. Please let me know in the comments who you think is going to be the man of the match, who you think is going to win the game, win the Euros. Actually, I'll leave that up on the screen for you guys. Alright. Yeah, that looked like a shiny card on the front there, so anyway, we'll see what we've got. Yeah, right, okay. Adingra from Brighton. Oh wow, is that Delo? Very nice. Europe's finest, Diogo Delo from Manchester United. Oh, hang on. Okay, Jack Grealish. Allison. This is a nice pack already. Okay. Luis Diaz. And Pedro Porro. Wow. Next gen. Trying to see if these are... Yeah, wow. So, very nice. Alright, that's a good start. Let's see what we can get in the second pack. Alright. Again, if anyone is looking for a digital packet, there you go on the screen. Alright. Now, straight, it's the first card in the pack is the seems to be the rare one, so alright, let's just get into it. Oh, it's upside down. Okay. Alright, we got the goal machine Evan Ferguson. Oh, hang on, so it's upside down. Evan Ferguson. Then we've got Polinia. We've got Goodmanson from Burnley. And then who have we got here? Oh, okay, we got Fabio Vieira. Oh, wow. And Nathaniel Klein. And a Joe Willock, or Willock. Well, look, pretty happy with the first pack especially. Hang on, we've got mixed up. So, I'll just run through everyone that we got. So, Evan Ferguson, Polinia. Yeah, Adingra, Diogo Delo, Grealish, Allison, Diaz, and Pedro Porro. Very happy with the first pack. The second pack, I've actually got a few of those cards already, so yeah, let me know in the comments if there's anyone, especially from the first pack, that you guys would like to see in a giveaway. Yeah, yeah, just let me know. Let me know. I mean, they're very cool looking cards, so I'd much rather give them away than hold on to them. So yeah, anyway, I look forward to seeing your comments below, and hope to catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.